Hi, this is Marco Brown. I'm a divorce attorney in Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm here to answer the most popular questions asked about divorce on the internet. This one is, how far apart can we live and still share 50-50 custody? Now, this is going to depend a little bit. Are you in a rural space? Or are you in a big urban area? Something like that. But for Utah, my standard answer to this is 20 miles. So the reason for this is human beings like things that are relatively easy. If you get past 20 miles living apart, or more than 20 miles, then taking a child to school is going to take a long time for you. It's going to take 30 minutes or more going to school and coming back from school. You take them to their friends' houses or to karate, church functions, whatever it is, you're going to spend a lot of time in the car. And you're just not going to do that for very long. I've helped over 4,000 people through this process, met with over 10,000 people. People just can't really sustain huge amounts of time in the car like that for a very long period of time. Usually they can sustain it for 6 months or a year or something like that, but then they tend to drop off if they had to spend humongous amounts of time transporting their child everywhere. So they actually take less time with their kid over time. So my parameter on the outside is 20 miles, but really what you want to do is you want to live within 5 miles of each other. Okay, if you can live within a mile, that's great, but 5 miles, it's 10 minutes. People can sustain that. Once you get to 30, 40 minutes, one way doing these things, that becomes almost impossible to sustain over time.